Hi, welcome to Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. I'm Nikki Kleckis, wife, mother, CEO, and entertaining expert. Today I'm going to show you 3 recipes using a very popular Greek cheese, Haloumi. Haloumi is a Cyprian cheese made with cow, goat, and sheep milk. And here in America, we like to describe it as it's similar to fresh mozzarella. You could buy this halloumi at any local specialty grocery store. And when you are cooking it, it's best to grill it. It softens it up and brings out the delicious flavor. So we're gonna get started with just cutting it, and then we're gonna grill it on the flat top. So when you're working with this cheese, make sure you're cutting it in larger size pieces so it doesn't crumble. That looks great. And our nice thick slices. I'm gonna use 2 blocks of this cheese so that you guys can see the 3 different recipes that I'm gonna be using. Now that we've cut this, we're ready to grill it. Unlike mozzarella, this is not a very good melting cheese, and it holds its shape when grilling it. So we're just gonna grill this with nothing on our flat top. You could also use a charcoal, which is also great. We're just gonna put these down. And it's gonna get this great color on the other side before we flip them. So we're gonna flip them when you see this nice brown color on the other side. That means that we've really caramelized the cheese and brought out all the nice flavors. Now that we've grilled our halloumi, I'm gonna grill some pita bread with just a little bit of olive oil for 2 of our recipes that I'm gonna show you. We're just gonna lightly brush some olive oil on our pita bread and just lightly grill it on either side. We use lots of olive oil when cooking. You'll see olive oil in everything I do. Now that we've grilled our halloumi cheese and I've grilled some pita, I'm gonna get started on our appetizer. So I have just sliced some cucumbers just to make the platter look nice, and I'm gonna put some pieces of halloumi cheese just down the center, and I'm gonna make a Greek salsa to put on top of this. So delicious. We actually used to serve this appetizer at our restaurant with a slice of cucumber and tomato underneath that, which you could do as well. So to get started on our salsa, we're gonna do some chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, and this salsa is so good with so many things. You can use this as a topping on a burger. I'm gonna use this on the top of our halloumi. This is red onion, parsley, and I'm gonna just give that a little toss. We're just gonna add, shocker, olive oil. So we need some olive oil, some fresh lemon juice, pepper, and salt. So we'll give that a little toss there, and we're gonna put this right on top of our halloumi cheese. And you can serve this. This is such a great summer or winter dish, and you can serve this at, make a little platter of this when people are coming over. It's a great little appetizer. I'll put that right on top. Look how pretty. Colorful, colorful. We always want everything to look pretty. So we have our little sauce on top. We'll leave this for something else. And we're just gonna drizzle some balsamic reduction on top. Look at that, ready to serve. And I'm gonna serve this with some grilled pita. So I'm just gonna take our pita, cut that into small triangles. Put that on the sides or on another platter. We could put that like this. And this is delicious. So for our next recipe, we're gonna make a sandwich. Delicious grilled vegetables, halloumi, and a little hummus sandwich. So I'm gonna use just a whole grilled pita, and I'm gonna wrap this actually with a little wax paper. So I'm gonna put the pita down. I'm just gonna take some grilled veggies. These are so easy to grill. I just used some sliced eggplant, red pepper, zucchini, and red onion. Tossed it with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano, and grilled it on the flat top. I'm gonna put a little hummus first, and I'm using a little pine nut hummus. Gives a little crunch. I love that. I'm gonna put vegetables, a little eggplant, pepper, zucchini, and some onion. A little grilled halloumi on top, some extra flavor. Just gonna wrap this like a little taco. Look at that pita wrap, delicious. Our last recipe we're gonna make with halloumi is my twist on Caesar salad. We're gonna make a Greek Caesar salad. So to get started with this, I'm actually gonna make the dressing first. So our dressing, we're gonna use 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I use full fat, you could also use 2%. I don't recommend using the no fat yogurt because you want the flavor in that. So we're gonna use some pureed fresh garlic. We're gonna put a half of fresh lemon juice, half of a lemon. We need 2 tablespoons olive oil. These are pureed capers, which gives it some delicious salty flavor. Anchovy paste, which if you don't like anchovy, you can always add a little bit more capers to this. This is Worcestershire sauce, which I never know how to say, so please don't make fun of me. So we'll put that in there. And we're gonna blend this together, mix this together. And then after I get all of these ingredients incorporated, then I'm gonna add in some grated cheese. So this is, you're gonna be pleasantly surprised. This has such a nice little tang from the Greek yogurt, but delicious with the lemon. So we have gotten all of these ingredients nice, and I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Mix this together. Last, we're gonna add in a little grated cheese. So we have our dressing ready, and I'm gonna take some chopped romaine lettuce. I'm actually gonna add chickpeas, which is a little Greek twist to that. So I add 1 can of chickpeas, some cut up cucumbers, and I'm actually gonna toss this with the dressing before I add our croutons and our grilled halloumi cheese. So I'll put this in the mixing bowl, toss that with some tongs to make sure we coat all of the ingredients with the dressing. And I really can't wait for you guys to try this at home. It is so delicious. I have tossed all of our ingredients with the Caesar dressing, and I'm gonna put that into our bowl. Look at that. I love when you toss the dressing in. I really think it gives the entire salad a nice flavor, because that way when you're eating it, everything has all the dressing on it. So we're gonna put some croutons on top, and then our grilled halloumi cheese. You can chop this up if you like. I'm just gonna lay it right on top. And it looks so good. And the caramelization from the cheese is just gonna give it a nice, really beautiful flavor. Put that there. Ready to present our salad. All 3 of our dishes are ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks so much for watching. For full recipes, visit nikkigluckus.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy!